Let us introduce to you the Sustourismo app. Let's see how it works. How to register into the app. Download the app. Launch the app. Create your user account easily by pressing one button. Fill in your information and click the Register button to complete your registration. Now you can explore the Sustourismo areas. How to explore a Sustourismo area. Choose Change Area in the initial page. Choose a country and an area. Choose the information icon to get useful information about the Sustourismo area you selected. Now you can search for everything you want about the Sustourismo area. How to win points and gain rewards. Select the Contribute and Win icon to win extra points and rewards. Click on the Trips Submission and Evaluation service. Submit all the details about the Sustourismo area you visited and earn points. Click on the second option, Participation in Tourist Packages. Select the package you would like to complete to find out more. Once you complete the package, scan the QR code to receive virtual points. Click on Proposals and Complaints. You can send us your feedback and get 50 points as a reward. Click on the last option, Counting Steps. Count your steps and get rewarded as well. How to check your virtual points and redeem them. Check the virtual points you gathered in the section My Wallet. Click the Bonus and Rewards button to find out how to redeem them in the selected Sustourismo area. Choose the reward. Scan the QR code and enjoy. Sustourismo. It's all about sustainability. Join us to live the Sustourismo experience. You can find out more about the project by visiting our site and social media accounts.